Hi guys, hope you're well. It's Matt Feast. I just quickly throw a video up today. I've had a question by one of my downline members within my online businesses. Okay, um, it's about being an entrepreneur and working online. I have been for since 2014. Um, it's a struggle. It's a struggle. The first 2 years, you please do not give up. You have to keep striving through building your online business, building your online presence. Okay. I used to work a 9 to 5 job into a sign company. I used to work, I used to make signs for a living, graphics and stuff like that, banners and shop fronts. Yeah. Anyway, I started doing online work passively, part time. 2014. It worked well, but I didn't really know the concept of it. So how I learned the art of this is really YouTube, would you believe? Yeah, YouTube and also some courses. And I was watching leaders how they build their businesses online. Yes, I've made a lot of mistakes, but at the end of the day, I've learned by it. I've done courses after courses after courses. Of how to work online and work from home and give me financial freedom, which it has now. My advice to someone who's just about to start is do basically start part time, build it up slowly. Okay, it's never ever going to happen overnight. It really isn't. It's a very very slow process, but once you get the technique and you understand the penny drops, you thought, wow, this is it. And then you start building slowly, and that's how I did it. You've got to get your head around doing like excuse me, email marketing. That's very very good, and you've got to learn the technique of not sending people straight to sales pages. So what you need to do is you need to learn how to build opt-in pages and landing pages or websites. You don't have to. There is a company called Fiverr.com, but there's loads of information on Google teaching you how to build, you know, email list, blogs, opt-in pages, websites. It's all there for the taking. It really really is. And once you grasp this, you'll be away. You'll be building a good online business. And another thing is, you probably think, how do I get paid? Well, how I get paid, I do promote businesses online. I'm affiliate marketer, and also I'm affiliate marketer for the crypto space as well. And how I started was selling products like ClickBank products and JVZoo products and Warrior Plus products. And that's how I started. This is 2014. And then I started, then obviously where the crypto niche come in. And that was been in since 2009 when Bitcoin was born. And then I actually got into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency 2014, 2014, 2015. And that really, really took my business to the next level, because it is passive income. Um, so I changed my, so I was still doing Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, but I still was doing affiliate marketing as well. But now I'm just doing pure crypto holding and trading as well. Didn't have a clue about trading, and now I've been doing trading for a few years now. I used to hodl, but it's been up and down like a roller coaster. But I still do affiliate marketing. I do enjoy it because I've got a massive list now. I've built a big list. Um, I do affiliate marketing for Warrior Plus because I find it's good. That works well in my niche. Because people always want to earn money online, and I promote tools for making it easier. And the company I do use is Warrior Plus. Very good company. You can sign up for free, and you just get approved. You've got to kind of write to the vendor, get approved. But it's very, very easy. If you do struggle, just do a YouTube search. That's the beauty about YouTube. It's very, very good. It's a very educational system. Fantastic. I use it all the time. I really, really do. If I hit a problem, if I'm building a website, or if I hit a Java problem or HTML problem or whatever, I go to YouTube. Fantastic. And it works. It's like having it's like having your own tutor. You know, very, very useful, and that's how I learn. But starting a business online, you really need to educate yourself. It's all about education as well, and also watch other people, see how they make money. Especially on YouTube. Just do a search of products or whatever. You might be promoting, I don't know, health and fitness products, or business opportunities, or what else? Amazon products. It's up to you. There's so much stuff out there you can promote and build. You become an affiliate. And you prove it. What is an affiliate? Well, affiliate is a person who's selling a product and you don't own it. You're promoting a product, and the company pays you a commission of selling their product. That's what an affiliate is, and your job is to share their information. Okay, like building websites, or YouTube videos, or send it on your email list or whatever. But I do find having an email list is very, very important. You need to build your email list. Okay, a lot of people don't grasp this. They just send an offer out, and people just look on their website, or on their sales website. Then you've lost them. But my advice to a new person coming in, really, 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 is learn the art of an opt-in page. And you probably think, what is an opt-in page? Well, you've probably seen it. You've probably done it yourself. You've probably gone to a product, or you're interested in something, and they say sign up below, and you got to put your email address and your name, and then send you an email, send you an autoresponder email. Okay, and then every 2 days you get another email. And then every 2 days you get another email, and that's what it's about. You're trying to keep your audience interested in your product. They might not buy on the first product, but you might have something else. That's the beauty about having an email list. Okay, they might unsubscribe. Okay, fine, not a problem. Okay, but that's how you do it. You're building your email list. Where the money is in your email list. It really, really is. And also, I must admit, you don't have to go on camera. If you don't like cameras, fine, or videos, you don't want to video yourself. There's loads of products out there online, like AI. You can have a voiceover. You don't have to show your face. You can be a faceless YouTuber now. But I know that some of your faceless YouTubers are making a lot of money. Really are. Fair play to them. But my sort of business, I have done shorts, faceless YouTube videos. But I always find, to be honest with you, when people like to deal with people, they like to you're building a relationship, basically, especially with email list, and also with Facebook, you're building a relationship. There's one thing I do not do is spam. If you're a spammer, it's very, very desperate. Okay, you probably think, well, what is spamming? Well, spamming is sending an email list, constant rubbish, or you're on Facebook, or you side recruit someone and you send them an offer and you don't even know them. That's called a spammer. Okay, that's a no-no. That makes you look desperate. The way of building your online business at home is really, really, really build a relationship and build your list, your email list, and start to build relationships. Okay, some people you won't even know, but try and get yourself out there. And there's another thing to do, guys. If you've got the tenacity to get yourself out on video, my advice is do a video, like a YouTube video. Or you can do a mobile phone video, or you can do a Facebook live video. But when I first started a few years ago doing videos. I only started doing videos 2017. And I was so nervous. Wow. But after a while, you get used to it. I used to do a video and I used to kind of edit it and take the ums and ahs out and the pauses. Now I don't bother because I'm a real person. I'm human just like yourself, and people want to see uh, uh, authenticity. You know, yes, I'm human like you, um, and I do. I know some YouTubers do like videos with like AI. They clone themselves. They've got it down to a T, but it's not really there. Because you have the face like that and the eyes clicking and the head nodding. Really, you want to deal with a real person. um, but that's my opinion. I do believe that. I think really just get yourself out of the comfort zone and just get yourself out there. It's very, very nervous, I know, but after a while, you get used to it. You get used to it, showing your face and camera, you know. But you don't have to do that. It's up to you. You can just have a full screen and do it that way, you know. That's what I do. Do a full screen, do it that way. Or when I'm doing a video on YouTube, I'm describing a product and that's what that's how you do it. And people be interested in you, and also having a blog is very important. You don't have to have a blog, but I like to have a blog as a base. Okay, that's what I do. But let me quickly show you my blog. This is what I do. It works for me. Most people don't have blogs. You don't have to have a blog, but it works for me, and I use it as a base, and I like to get traffic there as well. Okay, but I do have an opt-in page, and they come to my blog. They look at my blog, but I have a product. Okay, right. Here's my blog. This is mattfees.com. Okay, so the reason why I have a blog is I do believe I think it's very, very I think it's important to have a blog. It's got a picture of me saying what I do, online. Okay, it just adds trust. Okay, and also with a blog, I always find it does convert. It converts well, and for example, as I said earlier on, when you actually send people to your offers, I have an opt-in page, and they go straight into the opt-in page. Okay, and they come to this page here. Okay, I also have an opt-in page on my blog. Okay, so if I get new people coming in, new prospects from organic search on Google, they scroll down and they click on take action. Okay, so this here is an opt-in page. Okay, right, where is it now? That's a bit slow. My internet's a little bit slow today, so you have to bear with me. Let me just refresh that. Okay, here we go. That's my opt-in page. Bang, bang, bang. So, some brief description, and then they say the name, email address, and it brings into a landing page. Then it goes straight to my blog, and that's what you do. That's how I do this. Okay, you need to do this. It's very, very important. Okay, and I also find when for example, when I'm promoting a business, say I'm promoting this company here, WC Trading Bot, good company by the way. I do have other products I do promote, so this I do get a few people coming in, and they do convert, and some just hold my list. And as I said earlier on, build a list. They might be interested in something else. So with my blog, this is the beauty about a blog. You've got loads of other products here. Yeah. Scroll down, other products here. They might be interested in that. You don't know. So basically, I've got say, you know, I've got about you throw a stone and you get about say 5 or 6 birds, don't you? Yeah. But yeah, that's how you do it. So I've got a load of little promotions here, so they might be interested in that. So it's just adding something else to my income, okay? And that's what you should start thinking about doing. Is instead of promoting one business, okay, have quite a few businesses here. Have multiple streams of income, okay. I do say this in my other videos, is that it's very, very important to have quite a few online businesses, okay? Because you never know, they might fold up, they might exit scam. You don't know. This is the industry we're in, unfortunately. We do get a lot of, companies come and go, come and go. But I always say to people, just don't promote the businesses, yeah, okay, but don't put your how can I say it? Brand yourself, not the business. Yes, you're a marketer. You're trying to build the business up and so getting commissions, okay. But try and brand yourself, not the company. Yeah. Um, for example, now I've got loads of companies here. They do pay me. They pay me every week, or sometimes some pay me every day. But I've got multiple streams of income coming in. Yeah. And if I click on this blog, I've got, if I click on that blog bit there, I've got other blogs I've done in the past. Okay. And also getting organic traffic from Google and also Bing and plus the other exchanges as well. The other search engines. So I'm getting good targeted leads. So I'm building my leads up, building my emails up. Very important. And I also have a blog, as I said. So many ways of building a blog. As I said earlier on, go to fiverr.com or just do a search on YouTube. There's loads of free platforms out there offering free blogs. As I said earlier on, Wix is pretty good. There's quite a few other free ones as well. But just do some research, guys. Anyway, I've been rambling on, but you got the grasp, the know-how now. You're grasping what I'm doing for a living, and you should replicate this. It's not rocket science. But meanwhile, have a great day, and thank you very much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. I will be doing other videos on this, and I will be doing quite a few tutorials of how to run an online business. So please subscribe to my channel and also send me a message. It would be nice to contact you, and perhaps we can build a relationship up. And also, you can follow me on Twitter, and you can follow me on Facebook. I'll leave all the links below. And if you're interested in building an online business, please just let me know, guys. And I'm always happy to share some content with you. And yeah, happy days. Have a great day, and thank you very much for watching my video. Really appreciate it.